Shine bright like a diamond! Everyone, get ready! We have a new boss, and her style will make your jaw drop! Apply glue to the sole and the heel of a shoe. And sprinkle glitter on top. Secure with a layer of acrylic polish. It's obvious that our new boss loves red and glitter! All her accessories perfectly match her look. Even her soles glow. What a brilliant woman! I keep up with the latest office fashion trends too. My boss will certainly like my sparkly clutch bag. Cut handbag parts out of a clear plastic folder, 2 rectangles and a flap for a fastener. Sew an envelope out of 2 layers of plastic. Put in different sizes and shapes of glitter. Stitch up the clutch bag. Glue in magnets so you can close the bag. Just take a look at my clutch. It's glowing with happiness. My boss likes all this shine. This clutch is her dream. You haven't seen the best thing yet. Oh, someone's calling. Time to brag about my new glittery phone. Dissolve epoxy resin and add black glitter to it. Pour the mix into a small half-sphere mold. Cut an eye with lashes out of glittery foam paper of different colors. Coat all the details on the eye with a thick layer of epoxy resin and glitter mix. Use a matching shade. Glue the hardened eye details to a phone case. Decorate the case. Paint glittery tears and glue on tiny sequins. What a beautiful case! Did you make it yourself? Just look at these sparkly tears! Your coworkers will definitely notice a phone case like this. There's an important meeting at work. Hey, who came up with these boring board magnets? Our new boss has her own shiny red magnets. Print a picture of lips. Place a sheet of parchment paper on top. Trace the outline with a pencil. Coat the paper with Vaseline and fill in the shape with red-hot glue. Wait for the glue to dry and take the lips off the paper. Glue a small magnet onto the back. Coat the lips with glue and sprinkle them with red glitter. Trace and separate the lips with an acrylic liner. These magnetic lips will bring our company good luck this month. And we need to get rid of those boring magnets. They make us sad. Our future is going to be as bright as these magnets. Each girl has to pass this challenge. Doing perfect lip liner. Penny is ready to go. It's important to have steady hands. Like this. Carefully outline the contour. That's fine work. Penny holds her breath. Phew, done! She nailed it! Hi, Penny! Oh no! Cindy! What have you done? You ruined my even lip liner! It's over! Uh-oh! I need to save Penny right now before she turns into Pennywise! Here, look! I have a special mask for cases like this! Trace half of a face mask template on fabric. Cut out 2 pieces for the front. Put them together. Fasten them with pins and sew the center. Make another piece from the back fabric and put it on top. Sew the mask on both sides. Turn it right side out. Sew the edges. Put an elastic ribbon into the mask. Draw lips in the center. Color them with red fabric paint. Attach silver rhinestones around the lip contour. Use rhinestone glue. Cover the inner part with red rhinestones. This mask with perfect lips is perfect for Penny. Now you don't need to worry about your makeup. This lipstick won't smudge, and the lip liner will always stay in place. Oh, I really like it! Thanks, Cindy! It was a regular day before we got a message. Hey guys, I have one invitation to a cool cowboy party. Only one. Who will get it? There's gonna be a fight. Ashley, don't put your mascara on. The invitation will be mine. Whatever, Penny. Then get ready to look like a Smurf. What? Blue blush doesn't look good on me. One lipstick for both of us? Oh no! This is gonna be a serious duel. We solve problems fast in the Wild Wild West. Penny is already on a horse. And Ashley put on a cowboy jacket with glittery fringe. Sew silver fringe to the sleeves of a denim jacket. Also glue on strings of rhinestones. Do the same on the other sleeve. Whoa, Ashley, you are like a cowboy fairy. This fringe is so stylish. Yes. Even my horse deflated from envy. Ashley wins this Wild West fashion duel hands down, and she goes to the party. The great Andy is a famous, dramatic fashion guru. All the girls in town want to get into his photo studio. But Andy is looking for brilliant and outstanding models for a new cover. It's really hard to impress him. Ew, honey, you are way too plain and natural. Arrivederci. What about electrifying Jenna? So, what are you going to amaze me with? That's not what I'm looking for. Hey, that's rude. Where are all the unique models? Oh my gosh, am I dreaming? Here it is, divine beauty. That hair. That's great, honey. You're perfect. We'll just add some shine to your hair. Separate a hair extension into strands. Apply some hairspray and sprinkle with glitter. Attach long strings of sequins to a hair extension clip. Her hair is shining! This is what I've been looking for so long! It's glossy, chic, and beautiful! You are shining like a star! What a great hairstyle! Your career will be as bright as you are! The girls want to throw a cute cat party! Meow, kitty cat! Penny is eavesdropping on other people's plans. What? A disco party? Oh, that's interesting. I know what to wear. Cut epaulets from regular and glittery black foam paper. Cut the regular foam paper at the base twice. Glue 2 pin fasteners to the back of the sparkly pieces. And attach the other piece on top so the pins fit the holes. Decorate with strings of sequins and rhinestones. Attach studs and rhinestones over the top edge. Make 2 epaulets. The cat party is going great! Ears, milk, and dances! Oh my gosh! Who is that? A disco diva wearing an Elton John jacket? It looks like Penny was out of the loop, but her glittery epaulets get all the cat's attention. Of course, since cats love everything shiny and crackly. Penny, you are the best entertainment at the cat party. Stay and let us play with your stylish epaulets. Everyone say, meow! Cindy is getting ready for a walk. And she's running late. Gosh, I didn't even pick out accessories. What do I do? Oh no, my bracelet! Cindy, what happened? My favorite bracelet is all over the table. And I don't have anything to wear. Don't be sad. I have a beautiful bracelet just for you. Fill an IV tube with caviar beads and rhinestones. Glue a magnetic lock to the edges. Whoa! This bracelet is so simple and charming at the same time. It looks great on my wrist. Thanks, Penny. There you go. We solved your bracelet dilemma. And now we need to run because we are late. Did you like our life hacks? Then comment below what you'd copy. A mask with glittery lips, party epaulets, or a shiny hairstyle for a photo shoot? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new life hacks from Troom.